Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare checking accounts on Nerdwallet. Choosing the right checking account doesn't have to be a guessing game. Here's how to compare checking accounts using Nerdwallet's powerful tools. First, head over to nerdwallet.com and then in the main menu, you're going to click on banking. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select best checking accounts. You're going to land on a comparison page that highlights top checking accounts based on current features, fees, and of course user ratings. You can go ahead and use the filter at the top or the side of the page to narrow down your search by categories like monthly fees, by ATM access, mobile banking features. You can also do it by minimum balance requirements or perks like early direct deposits or overdraft protection. Each account listed includes a quick overview. You can check the bank name, the account type, any APY if applicable. You also can check monthly fees and pros and cons. Click Learn More or View details on any options to get a deeper breakdown, including user reviews and how to compare it to others in the same category. NerdWallet also provides side-by-side comparisons tools so that you can look at multiple accounts at once. And when you're ready, click Apply Now to be redirected to the bank's official site to begin the sign-up process. Compare checking accounts this way ensures that you pick one that fits your lifestyle, whether you want fee-free banking, great mobile access, or nationwide ATM reach. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more NerdWallet tutorials that help you find your perfect banking match faster and smarter. See you guys in the next one.